Simple hair coloring, easy to follow. Fill in hair with chisel tip, ignoring the ends of the hair. Now use your fine point tip and fill in the ends of the hair. Now you will take a darker shade and create shadows. Take note of what pieces of hair are underneath and what lies on top. Dot the more towards the front. The lighter it should be and more detailed. Dot the more towards the back. The darker it should be and less detailed. Now here is the fun part. Use the color that is complementary to your hair color to add highlights. Yellow complements green, so let's add some to make it pop. Now I am taking one shade darker to add even more depth. Last but not least, get out your Uniball Sigma white pen or whichever you use. This one's the best in my opinion, and add in those highlights. Hope that helped. Things can be more simple than they seem. Let me know what you'd like to see next.